Tip for coffee maker. In this case we are going to repair a Krups brand coffee maker which does not heat, turns on but does not heat. We are going to uncover it from the bottom. Remember that if you like our content, then leave your heart. You can see the full video on Facebook or YouTube. There it is complete so that you learn how to repair this or other coffee makers. We are going to use a multimeter to check the main resistance, which is this one here. Apparently if it works, then that indicates that the main resistance works. Then we are going to check the auxiliaries. This is the one that it does not work. This is an auxiliary resistance of approximately 240 degrees Celsius. We have to replace it because it burns, because it is most likely they left it without water. That makes it burn. It is protected, that is, it is a correct function. This is the auxiliary resistance or thermal fuse. Since we changed it, we are going to proceed to heat it, and practically this repair is ready. Remember to give it a little heart and share. Above all, share so that more people see us and see you. Until the next time.